In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Google Docs. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to transform your PDFs into editable documents without needing any fancy software or tools. This is perfect for those quick edits you need to make or when you're on the go and just working from your browser. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to upload the PDF you wish to edit to Google Drive. To do this, open your browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, click on the New button in the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and click File Upload. Now browse through your File Explorer and select the PDF file you need to work with. Just give it a moment and you'll see the file upload to your drive. Now that your PDF is in Google Drive, the next step is to open it with Google Docs. Locate your newly uploaded PDF file in your drive and give it a right-click. A menu will pop up, hover over Open With, and from the options, go ahead and select Google Docs. This is where the magic happens. Google Docs will take a moment to convert your PDF into an editable format. If your PDF is on the larger side, it may take a few extra seconds, so be patient. Once it loads, you'll notice it looks much like a regular Google Doc. The text is now editable, just like when you're working on any other document. This means you can delete text, add new text, and format it. Change the font, adjust sizes, and make it bold or italic, whatever suits your needs. You can even insert images or links to make your document more interactive. It's as straightforward as can be, and just like that, you've edited your PDF. It's as easy as turning your regular PDFs into documents you can tweak and modify right in your browser, without needing any extra software or applications. Once you're done with your edits, you can easily download your document as a PDF again or in other formats available through Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Editing a PDF has never been more accessible thanks to Google Docs. If you enjoyed this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of our quick, handy tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!